morning, dear ma. How you guys doing? How are you preparing for Christmas? We're over here. You already see how we're preparing. Yes, mommy. Yes, my girl. Yes, my girl. Yes, my girl. Anyways, guys, okay, so today's video, what we'll basically be doing is setting up. If you watch the last Mama, wait now. I'm talking to my people. I'm talking to my people. I'm talking to my people. It's always like that. Okay, so as I was saying, I don't know if you saw couple of vlogs before Vlogmas. I think the last weekend reset I shared, you would see me pushing a big shopping cart and with this big box in it. Okay, so that's what we'll be setting up today. So I got a bookshelf, more like a room divider kind of bookshelf. Okay, because of my girl, I told you guys that she started crawling. Now she's standing, like she holds stuff and then she tries to stand. It's a good thing. I like it. It gives me joy to see her attain all her milestone as at when she should. Okay, now the thing is oh god, guys, you don't want to know the half of it. She practically just pulls down everything that is on her way. Now she holds the TV stand and pull out everything that's on the TV stand. So that was why I got the bookshelf thingy, so that I'll put it on the other side of the house where she normally do not go to. She goes there, but it's not like where she can easily just go to. Like before she gets there, I would have picked that up, right? So I got the bookshelf and I want to set it up, guys. So the reason why I'm making this video is because, see, I'm not handy. Like, I'm not good with handy stuff, like setting up shelf, putting chairs. No, I don't know how to do all those kind of things. Call me, I will cook from morning till night. Like, I don't see anything in doing that. I will do any other thing. But you see handy stuff like fixing electricity, F9. Let me even tell you that I started ironing not too long ago, like when I was in my second year university. I used to be very afraid of touching the iron because I just don't know how to. Do you get? I don't know that. I told my husband, don't worry, let me try and set up this stuff. If I get stuck, I'll definitely reach out to him to come help me finish it up. But I really want to set it up myself. Okay, so I believe that they will have a guide inside it. Okay, I got the bookshelf from Jysk. I'm going to show it to you. And I really want to set it up myself. So guys, let's go. As soon as I'm done setting it up, I already ordered some props to to also put some aesthetics on it and all of that, and then move all the books in the house there. Just move everything that my daughter can easily just drag down over there. So let's go. So guys, this is the shelf. I don't know, this is it, and this is the first. I don't know, we'll figure it out. So this is how it looks like. This is how it's supposed to look like if I get it right. So let's unbox this lady. And yeah, so we had to use this to block this place because she always comes to this side of the house, and we have a lot of shoes on this side. So let's unbox this and then fix it. So I want to set it up on this space or this place. There's a lot of space here, so it's either I put it here or I put it at that corner of the house. But then whichever way, let's set it up first. That's the most important thing. When I set it up, I will then know where to place it, but I really want to place it here. So this is where I like do my sit down video or my video for Instagram. So I believe if I put it here, it will give me more props, like to give me a kind of like aesthetics behind me and all of that. So I will just put it here or maybe here, but it's just gonna be in this part of the house. So let's set up. My husband, I respect you because I don't know what this thing. I don't even know the beginning from the end. I don't know.
See, it's music. See, it's music.
You have chipped this place.
Yeah.
Where do you want to put it? This corner?
Yeah. What do you think? So guys, I'm finally done over there. So I moved the books already, as you can see. Super tired now, but as soon as I get my breath, I would arrange them back, bring everything and move it here. Guys, it's really lovely. I like it. I like that. I like how it turned out. I would have wanted it to be on this side, but the mirror somehow, so it's just gonna be like this. So when I'm making my video, normally I used to make my video like this. Yeah, I can still make my video like this and it will still come out well. God, look at my face. I'm super tired. I really give it to people that, you know, build things and put things together. But at some point I spoiled the whole thing. I had to start all over again, but I figured it out. And then yeah, I think the main thing is to fix the legs, which can be done pretty much later. So it's just on the floor. So if I fix the legs, so it's gonna be standing on this. I can do that later because I need to, you know, drill, and I don't know how to use the drill. So I guess my husband will have to do that for me. So thank you guys for sticking around and for been with me while I build my bookshelf. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.